Hey traders, today we're looking at SPX. It's showing slightly bullish momentum this week with today's high reaching around $0.3617. Will the rally continue or is a pullback coming? Let's jump into the analysis. Hey traders, we just posted new premium signals with solid price targets on our Patreon page. You can get started with our tester plan for just $10 per month, a simple, low-risk way to check the results yourself. And if you're happy with the performance, you can upgrade anytime. Link is in the description and comments below. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.